Welcome to Awesome Kid. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about checking for anagrams. So if we have two strings and we want to check if two strings are anagrams, we can use counter from the collection module, the counter sports equality test. We can check if the given objects are equal. So we are going to first import counter from collection. So from collections in counter. So we have two strings, string that will be A, B, C, D. And we are going to have string 2 and now we are going to print the result also, and here we are going to use counter and pass in our string 1, and then we are going to do counter string 2. Now we can run our script and we get the true. We can also use sorted function to check if two strings are anagram. The sorted function by default will sort a given string in ascending order. So when we pass string as argument to the sorted function for equality test, first the strings are sorted and then compared. So let's try that too. So we are going to use the same strings we had before, and we are going to use with the sorted methods. So this will be if sorted string 1 equals sorted of string 2. This is string 1. And now we are going to print. Crops. Else, we're just going to print not anagrams. And we get anagrams. So if I change, and now we can run it again, and we get false and not anagrams. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Good, like my video, keep supporting me,